A chat is a conversation, right? And if you're using ChatGPT for work, chances are you've tried to turn one long chat into a project. That's where things start to break. I'm Maria's AI sidekick. Welcome to Optime AI University, short lessons on using ChatGPT properly. Today, let's talk about why a chat is not a project and why people get lost. Chats are designed for conversation. Projects need structure, boundaries, and consistency. When we use a single chat to hold an entire project, we mix thinking, decisions, drafts, revisions, and side questions, all in the same place. Most people do this because it feels easy. You start a chat, get good answers, and keep going back to it. But over time, the conversation drifts. Context changes, and suddenly the model isn't following the direction you thought you set. That's when people say, ChatGPT is inconsistent. The problem is that chats don't protect intent. You can't separate what's important from what was casual, and you can't remove side conversations once they're there. Here's the simple rule. Use chats for conversations. The moment something becomes a project, don't keep going in the same chat. That's how you protect clarity. Use chats as conversations, brainstorming, clarifications, one-off questions. The moment it becomes a project, stop. Don't keep stacking messages. Don't mix intentions. Projects need structure, clear scope, clear boundaries, clear intent. A chat doesn't fail because it's too short. It fails because it has to do a job it was never designed to do. If you remember one thing, remember this. Chats help you think. Projects need more. They need folders. In the next episode, we'll explain why folders matter more than you think and how they help you protect intent and context.